How's it going, guys? My name is Zach. I play in the metal band Sealy's in Madison, Wisconsin, and I've been playing drums for about 10 years now. So I play the Collision 5AR, or the 5A Reach, because it just gives me that extra little bit of reach. These are 17 inches long, so a little bit heavier than your typical 5A and a little bit longer, which is just, again, for me, that's the perfect style. The fact that these sticks, when I first picked them up, they just felt so comfortable in my hands. Like, just the weight and the length within them is just, it's perfect for how I play. Because I also sit fairly far back from the set, and so every time I'm going to reach for something, I'm getting that perfect tone with every stick hit, and I'm not having to really extend my arms at all. So it's just, it's the most comfortable stick that I've ever held. Collision drumsticks, I mean, just the durability of them is phenomenal. I've been playing these sticks for about 2 months now, and you know, as you can see, there's really not that much damage for playing for 2 months. I mean, obviously it's a stick, you're hitting wood on top of metal, you're gonna have some damage, but these are really holding up. I mean, I got my other stick right here too. Another thing that I love about them is their customer service. When I was first getting into contact with them, the first person that I talked to was Carlton, the CEO, and that just made a very lasting impression on me. So the song that I'm about to play for you guys is a song called Not Your Hero by my band Sealy's. We just released this song off of our new EP that we released at the end of October this year. So yeah, check it out.